Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn or discuss on Oracle 12c, OBA 12c, business layer, or you can say mapping layer, business or mapping layer, BM layer. In the start, we will discuss short summary regarding business layer. Guys, the business model is used to simplify the schema structure and maps the user business requirement to physical data source. It involves creation of logical table and columns in the business model. Each logical table can have one or more physical objects as source. There are two categories of logical table: fact and dimension table. Logical fact table contain the measures on which an analysis is done, and the logical dimension table contains the information about measure and object schema. While creating a new repository using a OBA administration tool, once you define the physical layer, create joins and identify foreign key, the next step is to create business model and mapping layer of the repository. So guys, now we are going to move to administration tool like explain here. You can see in the last session we created physical layer and we created relation between object and table. You can see now at this stamp we would create a physical business model, or you can say mapping. In other word, business model or mapping layer is called logical layer or logical model. Okay. Well, first of all, when we the first step we created on business model, we create a right click, new business model, click, assign any name which you want. I'm assigning name sample sale. SA sample sale folder. You can see you can assign any description here. Click the video vibes and press OK. You can see this is a business model object created. Now we would assign our drag and drop desired object from physical to business model. So let's, yes, you can see in the other point connection pool. You can see check connection pool setting, connection script. Example, in physical model have connection pool, object name connection pool, call interface which we created when we uploaded metadata. We selected OBA ODBC 3.5 maximum connection or maximum repost physical layer connection we defined here. This is a source name we selected during import data, time mode, username, sample, default. Okay, so move let's move over topic. Now we create object in business model, business layer, or you can say mapping, or you can say logic. I'm pressing assigning name. I'm assigning this fourth object from physical to VM layer and drag and drop, and I'm release mouse on object sample sale. You can see here on the left side, right side, physical model alias object icon, and you can check You can see icon, connection pool icon, and sample data, sample sale icon. You can see date one same icon as a in a physical table. You guys, you notice one thing in note important app is which uh, in a business model layer or logical table layer, all fact table showing this type of icon. You can see icon. Its main fact table showing that all aggregation function, all aggregation manipulation executed on this table, on this object. So obey or repetition showing F1 revenue icon, fact table icon different from dimensional object or dimensional table. You can see when I press on table, you can see all column represented here. You, when I press on source D1, its mean this source is map to physical layer. When double click on you can see column mapping, look logical column expression. You can see all show map column, show unmap column. This is showing the all mapping. You can see all map column showing here. Physical table is made. This this business model object map with physical table source. When user request to OBA server, then request move from presentation to business model send request on the behalf of mapping table, mapping object to physical, then physical layer, physical object connected with database object, then execute client query. Okay guys, you can see all map. This is a primary key of this table, and press OK. You can see also mapping map. This is a general view, general tab showing that. Well, one thing more important, when I press select specific table, when I'm showing you the physical business model diagram. Hold diagram, select a table. You can see all joins or relation which we created in physical automated transfer from physical to business model layer. You can see I discussed in previous session that the business object model doesn't show expression or string of relation. You can see expression is blank. Nothing showed operator. Nothing showed on the business model. This all because this is all object based on map with physical model. So we can see only see join expression on physical layer. Okay, closing this. You can see this is a first key primary key here. You can see also map column, all present column show map with expression. Okay, you can see source one revenue, the map with physical. Okay guys, one thing You noted that I drop only D1, D2, D3, and skip or delete D4 object from because in a future lecture we would create a you can say we would create posterity, physical diagram, physical lay or business model manually. At the first we created from wizard. So first, first now we rename column, rename column to method. Right click, rename. We can rename column from here, and other one we can select all columns like this, and right, press on right click, rename wizard. Rename wizard option showing option all text uppercase, all text lowercase, first letter capital, first letter of each word capital, insert space before each first uppercase letter, change each icon of underscore into space, change of specified text. We can assign one or more from list. I am first of all I am assigning change each icon of my underscore into space, add, and all first letter of each word capital, add. When I press next, finish. Before finish you can check all character in word uppercase. When one press finish you can see first capital of each word, or underscore in goes to space, and again a rename with it. Insert space first letter of each word capital, first letter, insert, change each column, first letter, first finish. You can see we can rename manual, we can rename by wizard. Okay, this is a source. You can see this is a column map column, physical table, map can be showing that is map table with physical source table. Okay, now we can drop column, and we select our desired column, move from a business model to presentation model. I'm just, you can see here I'm on F1 revenue. I'm just deleting, I'm just remain some revenue, I will remain revenue and unit. Then product key, delete, shift, delete. Revenue, I discuss in this video revenue fact table, vector use calculation on revenue column. I would go to properties, columns aggregation, sum. You can see sum. You can assign any aggregation on this field. So guys, our business model layer or mapping layer has been ready for moving from business model to presentation model. In fact table we can see, we can fact table we can aggregate function, all aggregate function apply on this any on this table or any field. So stay with me. Thank you. Bye bye.